So we'll move on to 7 point, I'll go with 5. Consideration of temporary public health officer appointment and professional services contract with Anju Goel, MD, MPH for a term of 6 months for an amount not to exceed $49,860 for the term of the agreement, and authorize the health services director to sign. Director Barton.
Good morning, board. How are you guys doing?
Very good.
First, I want to take a moment to introduce you guys to our new Deputy Director of Finance and Administration, Lisa Farraco. I think several of you are familiar with her, and I wanted to bring her up here because this was part of her first projects that she worked on. So as you guys are aware, Dr. Duen has submitted her resignation letter that will take effect March 31st, so that will leave us with a gap in our services if we don't fill a health officer position. Dr. Goel came recommended to us from Dr. Duen as a temporary fill-in. She has extensive background in healthcare and has been a health officer for numerous other counties, as you can see with the resume that I sent you guys yesterday. We took about 4 to 5 weeks to reach reasonable terms with her, $165 an hour for every hour worked and $10.50 an hour for on-call. That will allow us to have full coverage in the absence of a full-time employee health officer. The contract is up to 6 months. However, with the terms agreed to, we expect to hit the ceiling around 3 to 4 months, so 12 to 15 weeks. And we will use that time to recruit a full-time health officer as an employee or reach terms with a longer-term health officer. And I do have a candidate in waiting that I'm very excited about that I hope you guys will be excited about as well. So with that, we are seeking your approval to get this process going. Do you have any questions?
Any questions from the board? Supervisor Sabatier?
Just appreciative of the fast action and having a short-term and also a long-term plan already set. So looking forward to it.
And I will be gone for 2 weeks in Japan, and Lisa and Rainey will be working on an RFP and RFQ as backup while the recruitment is also going on as well.
Japan. Anyhow, no.
I'm going to go see the cherry blossoms.
Awesome.
Nintendo.
Oh, yes, I'm going to go see the Nintendo Museum, too.
All right, I'm going to open it up to the public for any comment on Zoom. All right, I'll bring it back to the board for action.
Mr. Chair, I move that we approve public health officer appointment and professional services contract with Anju
Goel.
Goel.
Oh, sorry.
MD,
Okay.
MPH, for a term of 6 months for amount not to exceed $49,860 for the term of the agreement, and authorize the Health and Services Director to sign.
Second.
I have a motion and a second. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion carries 5-0-0. Thank you.
And congratulations to Lisa. We're going to miss you at AAA.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, why is AAA here with?
Well, we're going to put her to good use.
I know, me too. I was like, are you guys,
We're all super excited about having her.
okay.
One loss, one gain.
Yes.